Hello everyone, today we're going to talk about how to find the mean, which is also called the average. So here we have 5 pieces of data, 3, 10, 15, 20 and 2000. Now they can represent whatever you like. For example, they could represent how much money each person has, and there are 5 people that we collected the data from. So the first thing we want to do is I will show you how to find the median as we have previously. So the median, if you remember, is the number in the middle. So in this case the median is 15. That was very quick to find it. So if there are 5 people and these are the amount of money each person has in their pocket, then $15, that would be the median amount. Now we want to talk about finding the mean. Now to find the mean, what you're going to do is you're going to add all the numbers together. So 3 plus 10 plus 15 plus 20 plus 2000. That's a very rich person with $2,000. And then we're going to get the answer and then divide it by 5. So putting that in the calculator, we have 3 plus 10 plus 15 plus 20 plus 2000. Make sure you press equals and then you divide it by 5, and the answer is 409.6. Okay, so here is a discussion point. Why is the mean so much different from the median? Well, that is because the mean, when you add all the numbers together and divide it by how many numbers there are, the mean is very easily influenced by the extreme numbers, which we call outliers. So the number 2000 is an outlier because it is a lot different to every other piece of data. So when you are asked what the difference is between the mean and the median, you can say that the mean is easily influenced by outliers, whereas the median is not influenced by the outlier at all. Okay, so we also want to teach you guys the symbols involved in finding the mean. Now the mean is usually written as X with a bar above it, a horizontal bar above it, horizontal line. Now you might say, well, where does that come from? Well, basically each number here in the data is an X. So X with a bar above it just means we're averaging X. Now when we add all the numbers together, the symbol for that is sum. So this symbol here, which looks like an E, actually means sum, right? The total. So basically the sum of all the X values, right? Each of these numbers is an X, so we're adding all the X's together, divided by the number 5 is N. N represents how many numbers there are. So using these symbols, I'll explain again. This symbol here represents the mean. This symbol here represents the sum of X. So each number here is an X. We're adding all of them together, so that's the sum of X, and N represents number of scores. In this case we have 5 scores, so N is 5. So this is the formula for finding the mean. So make sure you recognize this formula when you see it. So that is the full working out for finding the mean. Okay, thanks for watching. See you next time.